The Narcotics Control Bureau has widened its probe. Today, actors Abhigail Pandey and Sanam Johar has been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Talent manager Jaya Saha has also arrived at the NCB guest house for questioning. Mayuresh is joining us with more. So, Mayuresh, there's a lot of activity now in the NCB office. A number of individuals have been summoned. Tell us the latest that you've been tracking since morning on the Narcotics Control Bureau probe into the Sushant Singh case.
Absolutely. After 1 p.m., the activities have started. Much activities we can see here at NCB Guest House, where Jaya Saab, Dhruv, who's the CEO of Con, they have been earlier. They have been summoned, but they have just reached some time back. And we saw that KPS Malhotra, who's the deputy director and leading the SIT team of NCB, he also reached some time back. So certainly, these people were summoned by NCB. Also, the two new names have come in first, and they have reached the NCB office in Bellary District. Both of them are the artists, and they have basically worked, or we can say they have been showcased in one of the famous dance show on a Hindi channel. So both of them have been summoned, and they have reached at NCB office. We have been given to understand all of these people have been called in a drug case related to the Bollywood, and somewhere NCB has found their connection in this drug case, whether it was a WhatsApp chat or when NCB recorded the statements of drug peddlers. That time drug peddlers revealed their names. So that's why, to get more information from them, to probe what exactly was their role.
Yes.
Did they procure the drugs during that time, or any time, or did they consume, or did they sell it to someone? So to probe that matter, they had summoned, and most of them have reached here. Only Shruti Gandhi has not reached yet. Even she had got summons yesterday.
Okay, so a number of summons issued to several individuals involved with Bollywood for their conversations with regards to drugs procurement. Largely, these are based on drug chats, which the NCB has access through communication on social media, is what we are getting to learn. Thanks, Mayuresh, for joining us with the latest information.